Hey everybody, today is Thursday, December 6th. Sorry I haven't been on the video channel in a while. Still got too much to do post-hurricane, but anyway, let's get to the chart of the day and the week, which is everyone's favorite at Apple. And let's just go over a few things on the chart. And this is a daily chart, and I'm going to now cut off the current data. And this is what we saw a couple of days ago. I actually posted this on the Facebook page, and that is a divergence in volume. I've had a little picture of an alligator on there because I thought it was going to eat you alive. And sure enough, everyone knows what happened. Boom. Quite a sell-off. Now we also see the 200-day moving average over here, the 50-day moving average in here. What's that going to be? You're going to call it a death cross, a black cross? Maybe. I don't know if it works on individual stocks, but since Apple is pretty much the market, maybe it will. Anyway, we have this pending death cross. We have resistance up here. We have a small reversal, actually a pretty big reversal today, but in the context of what's going on, let's see, is it meaningful? I think it's just a bounce, but take a look at this. Now we've gone much further back in time, and here's kind of sort of a trend line. I'm going to put this into a log scale format, and you can see that the trend line hits the lows of this week and the low last month. All right, pretty good trend line. So what does that mean in terms of Apple? Well, a logical place to bounce. Doesn't mean it's reversing here. I still think it's in decline, but we'll see. Now I want to change this to a weekly view. Bear with me here. You can see the trend line isn't perfect. It does not go to the low in 2009, but you know something, after these major lows, the trend lines from there don't usually work. So take a look at that in linear format. You can see that there is kind of a way to go here, probably sub 500. And the last bit we're going to talk about, is this a head and shoulders pattern? My answer is no. It does not have the symmetry needed in such a pattern. It's also huge compared to the rally it's supposed to be reversing. So I think we have a support line here, which will be heading into the trend line maybe early next year. So there you have it. I'm not going to tell you to buy or sell Apple right now. I do still think it's in decline. Nice setup last week. Long-term setup. Probably still have a lot of healing to do on this stock. That's all for now. We'll see you next time, and take care.